how to use Agile project management in Wrike. Using Agile project management in Wrike involves several steps to set up your workspace for Agile methodologies, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your account, that is your Wrike's account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, it will be brought to your inbox automatically. On this page, you can see several things that you've done on Wrike, and then by the left side of the screen as well, you can see some options like search inbox, etc. Then once you can see all of this, the next step and the next thing to do is to create a new space for your Agile project. All right, create a dedicated space for your Agile projects to keep everything organized. And how can you create a space? Move to the left side of the screen. Under the space tab, you'll see three dots. Click on that. You'll see all of my spaces. Then the next step is to go ahead and click on the space that you can see displayed. Once you click on it, the drop down arrow, you'll see some options like personal advertisements, marketing team. Then you can see a plus icon and space. Another way to do it is by moving to the top right corner of the screen where you can see an icon in green. Click on it, and then once you click on it, in the box displayed, you can see search items, and you can see space requests in invite. Just click on space, and then once you click on space, you'll be taken to create space tab. Here you can decide to check any of these templates. For example, for Agile projects, you can just search out Agile. Okay, and you can see the available ones. Then, or if not, if you do not want to use any of these templates, you can decide to click on create blank. All right, or you can just select project management to display the available templates. Okay, for me, I'll be working with this particular ITPMO. It can also be used instead of creating from a blank page. Okay, so this workspace is being prepared. You can just wait for a few seconds. So once that's been prepared, this is how it looks like. Then the next thing is to customize this particular workspace to suit your Agile project. So you can set up folders and projects that's for each team. Okay, create folders for each project or team, and then you can use subfolders to organize sprints and workflows. Okay, as you can see them in here, just create folders and fields. You can add fields by clicking on this add item to add other tabs or tags to your Agile project. As you can see, after clicking on the add item, by the right side, you have to select what you want to create. Is it for tags? Is it for folders or whatever? Just ensure you select it, then customize it to suit your taste. And then after doing that, you can also use the board view. Yes, use the board view. As you can see here, the current view is intake. Then if you want to add a new view, click on the plus icon and view. Then you select board. Then click on create. Then after clicking on create, you can see the board view will be created. Okay. So once the board view has been created, you can now plan and prioritize your backlog by populating your backlog with as many tasks as possible, and ensure you prioritize them according to their order of importance. And then the next thing is to organize your tasks into sprints. Then you can also track your progress. All right, you can track your progress, and you can always adjust whatever you've done to continually perform the function you want it to. And you can also assign duties. Okay, for example, now for this task, if it's for example marketing, let's say marketing, yes, this is the task, and then you want to assign someone, just click on the option here and then select whom you want to assign. You can assign other people to it, and then you can now search out the kind of item that you want for the tax. Okay, so you can just do this, and once you're done, you're good to go. But just keep on creating this to suit your taste in a way that it will be effective for the project you're working on. So this is how to go about it. This is how you can use Agile project management in Wrike. Thanks for watching and have a good day.